Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Brigitte and today I will give you ideas to use your seal wax and seal stamp. This video is part of a series of videos where I use my seals and other objects to print images on wax. Today I will making a love potion and enchantment, 2 bookmark and gift wrapping with what I have at home. For my love potion, I take baby oil to which I add glittering powder. You can find them in a creative hobby shop. The wax mixture I use is a part of wax pencil for a part and a half of hot glue. If you want to know how to make your own wax seal stamp, I will put you the link at the end of this video. Now, for the enchantment, you write a magic formula on a small piece of paper that you roll and put in a bottle. Now, all you have to do is to put this bottle under the pillow of your loved one. For this bookmark, I use a metal letter that comes from a scrapbooking set. It is so light that I have to gently press on it. Now for my gift wrapping. Here I give handmade paper to a friend. If you want to know how to make a handmade paper, I will put you a link at the end of this video. The wax mixture I use is a part of wax pencil for a part and a half of hot glue. If you want to know how to make your own wax seal stamp, I will put you the link at the end of this video. If you like this video, click like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my next video. Thank you.